once you got that all in to the center, and you go ahead and tighten all 10 of them bolts down. You wait until you got them all in before you start tightening them down and get them all lined up. And then you go ahead and snap the wheels in. The wheels just snap right into the other side. Pretty self-explanatory. Then install the main cylinder here. Just set it right in the centerpiece. And on the base right here, you got some screw holes, and you're going to mount the arms into the bottom of the base. So you can slide this part out of your way, kind of stick it out there like that, and then your arm goes right in here into the bottom in this area. And there's the rest of your arm right there. So while it's upside down, you will put the left arm on the right side, because when you flip it back over, it will be on the left side. And the next piece you put in will be that piece right there with the 2 handles on it. And so I'm getting ready to install that piece right there. And it actually tells you right there to mount this side to the front, which will be that side down there, and then the back side is up here. So I'm going to go ahead and mount that. So I'm putting in the last screw, the base, and then you're going to tie it all together right there on the back with that piece right there, which will go into the back of the chair right there. So basically 3 M5 screws are going to go in there, and that's going to let you know that you have to put this side to the back of the chair, back right there. So you'll notice the bend in it is facing away from the back. So you put the 3 bolts in, you got the 4 bolts there that will go into the back of the chair right down there. So basically you'll have something that looks about like this, and you put them 4 bolts in, and then you'll put the base in there. And since your base was made at the beginning of the video, it's right there. And that's a quick video on how to put together a gaming chair. So the back of the chair goes in behind it like that, and you come down here, you're going to put that right into that cylinder, and there you have it. This is a finished gaming chair. Come up, and it will lay all the way down. The Ottoman comes out, and so the headpiece will go on with this little piece of elastic right here, and just simply comes up top and straps over this. So once it's all together, you simply use this lever right here, and this allows you to go up and down with the back. And you pretty much need somebody in there. It's locked in place right now. You see it has a lock on it. And then the up and down is the lift. So unlock it, and then you can come back up right there. So you can go to a full incline and a full decline. Game on.